Now, you can also see why this is such a great way to work on your ear training. You start to hear the relationship between the 1, 4, and 5 chords, where the tension is and where the final resolve is. That's super important when you're trying to figure out what key something is in, whether you're playing with somebody else or you're trying to figure something else off of a recording. So along with trying to line up your 1, 4, 5 with the exercise, be listening to how those chords move and relate to one another. Okay, now look at number 3. In exercises 1 and 2, and this will be true for the other pages that we do, these last 2 exercises, 3 and 4, you only get to sit on a chord for 1 measure now, where the first 2, you got a chord repeated for 2 measures. So now things are going to come quicker. You have to see the number, move faster, think about where you're going, kind of look ahead. And then also, if it's a strum pattern that's like in 2/4, or 6/8, now you have even less time because you have 2 beats per measure. So this, I'm not going to go through all the variations with the strum patterns, but you should definitely come back after you feel pretty good about these exercises and try them with a different strum pattern. Try them in 2/4, try them at 3/4 and at faster tempos, and be able to see the number, make the change, and keep it nice and steady. Okay, so let's do this number 3, and let's do this with strum pattern number 4. Okay, here we go. So number 4 is down, down, up, down, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4.